this is an absolute tragedy, no matter how it panned out. You got a 21-year-old, bright, rising star, independent young black man from Chicago, Illinois, who has taken a path to be independent of his parents, to work as an over-the-road trucker, and was doing a phenomenal job. He found himself here in Vance County, and like I said, the facts are still working its way out, but we do know that he was found hanging from a tree. Now, I know there have been some statements from the sheriff concerning what's considered a lynching or a hanging, but I'll show you the pictures that we saw. It's very clear that he was hanging. Not in the manner which you may saw in the 60s and the 20s and 30s, but it's nothing to take away from it. We are here for one reason only, and that sign says very clear, get justice for Javion and the Magee family. To ensure that we get transparency in this process, I know the sheriff, they have sent this case over to the State Bureau of Investigation, Attorney General, to do a further investigation in this particular matter. At this time, let me be very clear, the matter and the cause of death of Javion has not been determined at this time. The manner and cause of death have not been determined. So for any suggestion that it's a suicide, anybody stating that it was a suicide, would be grossly premature, right, Lee?
That's correct.
Grossly premature.
I just ask that you guys keep us in prayer.
And that's just how he was. He wanted everybody to be together. That was his heart. Always, everybody just to come together. And so if this moment can spark anything, if I can tap into him, I would say he wants this country to come together. Not all this divide and stuff. We all need to come together, because if it wasn't no divide, this wouldn't have happened.